Educuties TV!
Hi friends, today we're going to see amazing construction vehicles. We'll learn their names and what they do. Let's get ready to build and have fun together. This is a bulldozer. It pushes large piles of dirt or sand. It has a big flat blade in front. It helps make the ground flat for building. This is an excavator. It digs deep holes in the ground. Its long arm has a bucket at the end. It can also lift heavy objects. This is a crane. It lifts things very high. It has a tall tower and a strong hook. It helps build tall buildings. This is the dump truck. It carries sand, gravel, or dirt. It has a big bed that tips backward. That's how it unloads quickly. This is a cement mixer truck. It mixes cement while moving. The drum keeps turning all the time. It pours cement for roads and buildings. This is a road roller. It flattens roads before they're finished. It has a big round drum in front. It makes the surface smooth for driving. This is a skid steer loader. It's small but very strong. It can dig, lift, and push materials. It's great for small spaces. This is a backhoe loader. It has a bucket in front and a digger in back. It can lift dirt and dig holes. It's like two machines in one. This is a forklift. It lifts boxes and materials. It has two long forks in front. It works mostly in warehouses. This is a tower crane. It's very tall and fixed in one place. It lifts heavy steel and concrete. It's used to build skyscrapers. This is a trencher. It digs long, narrow holes. These holes are for pipes or cables. It works faster than shovels. This is a wheel loader. It scoops dirt, sand, or gravel. It has big wheels for rough roads. It moves heavy loads quickly. This is a paver machine. It lays asphalt on roads. Workers smooth the surface after it. It helps make new streets. This is a pile driver. It pushes large poles into the ground. These poles make buildings strong. It's very loud when working. This is a grader. It levels the ground for roads. It has a long blade under it. It makes the surface smooth and flat. This is a scraper. It scrapes the top layer of soil. It can carry the soil to another spot. It works on big land areas. This is a concrete pump truck. It sends cement through a big hose. It can reach high or far places. It's great for tall buildings. This is a dragline excavator. It has a long boom with a bucket. The bucket is dragged on the ground. It's used for deep digging. This is a mobile crane. It moves from place to place. It lifts heavy items with a hook. It's very useful for short jobs. This is a hydraulic hammer excavator. It breaks rocks and concrete. It uses a strong hammer tool. It's very noisy, but powerful. This is a cold planer. It removes old asphalt from roads. It has a spinning drum underneath. It makes the road ready for new paving. This is a concrete mixer machine. It mixes cement, sand, and water. It's smaller than a mixer truck. It's used on small building sites. This is a boom lift. It lifts workers high in the air. It has a basket at the end. It's used to fix tall buildings. This is a log loader. It picks up big tree logs. It works in forests and mills. It loads logs onto trucks. This is a gantry crane. It runs on rails at ground level. It lifts containers at ports. It's huge and very powerful. This is a tunnel boring machine. It makes tunnels underground. It has a spinning cutter in front. It's like a giant drill. This is a mini excavator. It's smaller than a regular excavator. It's perfect for small projects. It can work in tight spaces. Now, it's time for a fun game. Can you guess the vehicle by looking at the picture? Let's try. Which vehicle is this? It has a big blade in the front and pushes dirt. Is it a bulldozer or a cement mixer truck? Yes, it's a bulldozer. Which vehicle is this? It carries sand and gravel and tips backward to unload. Is it a dump truck or a crane? Correct! It's a dump truck. Which vehicle is this? It has a long arm with a bucket at the end. It can dig big holes in the ground. Is it an excavator or a dump truck? Yes, it's an excavator. Great work, friends. You guessed the vehicles correctly. Wow, we saw so many construction vehicles today. Which one was your favorite? Don't forget to watch our other fun vehicle videos. Bye-bye, friends.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.